G'day YouTube, it's been a while since my last video and I really wanted to show you some great progress that I've been having with my grafts this year. The plant that you see down here, it's an apple. I've simply chainsawed this Granny Smith pretty much to the stump. I left nothing on it at all. And I've proceeded to graft this Eagle Point Star apple, which is an apple that when you cut open has pink flesh like those flowers in the background there, and they've grown away really nicely. That growth that you see up there is actually the result of grafting in September, and it's now November, and after a little more than 2 months, that's how much growth you can put on, and that's just all the energy that we had in this nice, strongly established apple down below. You notice that the graft on this side that still has the grafting tape on it has a different colouring, and that's because it's a different type of apple, and that's a Fuji there. That was a cleft graft. I'll show you the result of a cleft graft on the other side with another Eagle Point Star, but the one on this side, which I will try to focus in, might be easy on this side. Yep, there we are. That is a rind graft. So at the stump, all you do is you split the cambium or the bark, and you slip the scion wood in, and you can see how strongly that graft is growing now. You can see it bulging out, and it's healed over very nicely. On this side you'll see the cleft graft. Try and focus in on it. It's pretty hard with all that background stuff. How about that? There we are. And you can see that all I did there was cut the original branch, and I've split it straight down the middle, and I've put the grafting wood inside. I've removed the grafting tape just so that you can see what has occurred underneath all that grafting tape. There have been failures. I think this graft has actually taken. It's a Royal Gala. It has taken, but the issue there has been that most of the sap has bypassed that small limb on the bottom, and while it's keeping that graft alive, that graft doesn't have enough sap in order to activate the buds. So I might actually remove it, because even if it does grow out this year, it's probably never going to be able to catch up with this top growth. I'll show you what has occurred with the top growth. Those are called water shoots, and they're the shoots that have all the energy of that established apple tree going into them. Those would have continued on had it not been for the fact that I've pinched the ends. And if you don't pinch the ends, the top gets too heavy, and in a strong wind it'll actually break the grafts at the grafting point. So I've pinched those out, and I'll probably prune these back by 1/3 this winter, and we'll get some really good results for next year. And from the point of grafting, I would probably say that within 2 or 3 years you'll begin to get the new crop coming in. So that's the power of grafting. Don't ever poison or cut down a fruit tree. If you don't like the variety, all you need to do is just find a variety you do like and swap it out. And that's what we've done. Until next time.